Hi, welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. I wanted to come to you and explain about the last video that I posted. That would be the lemon cake video. I know that the measurements was not posted, but there's a reason for that. It took us a long time to get that video posted because for some reason YouTube would not allow me to post the whole video. So I had to go in and continuously edit that video in order to get it posted. The only part of the video that you missed is where the black screen appears on the video. And what that was is we were trying to write down the part that you missed, but it's not necessary because I'm going to tell you. All you missed seeing was me alternate the buttermilk and the flour. But I told you just before that black screen appeared, I said alternate your buttermilk and your flour. So that's all that you missed. And me telling you to prepare your food, some of your food in advance. And I was just talking randomly so that the Thanksgiving holidays does not stress you out. Now, unsalted butter is what I used in the cake. But let me tell you this. It's not necessary to use unsalted butter, not unless a recipe calls for that. You can go ahead and use salted butter. If your recipe calls for it, then you can use your unsalted butter. It's not enough salt in the butter to actually make a difference in your cooking, whatever it is that you're going to cook. But if your preference is to use unsalted or salted, it really doesn't matter. Now, I did add some salt, and if you're using unsalted butter, you can add some salt. Just if you're using salted butter, just add a little bit less salt than what you normally would use. Now, I'm going to post the ingredients for that cake. I'm going to post it on this video, and I'm going to go back and post it on the last video. I was aware of that, but I had so many problems trying to post until that was truly just hard. It was unworkable, and I had to figure that out and get that cake posted in enough time for you all to still have time enough to make that cake for your holiday needs. Now, one other thing. I have 218,000 subscribers, which I am truly blessed to have, and I appreciate every last one of you. But you must understand, the busier time for a homemade cook or a homegrown cook is going to be your holiday season, especially your Thanksgiving, your Christmas, and your New Year's. That's the busiest time for a lot of people that are doing YouTube videos. You can't come to me the day before and say, Miss Chris, I need you to cook this for me. I need you to show me how to do that. Do it during the year, so I can go ahead and get whatever it is that you need to be fixed. I can get that taken care of so it doesn't stress me out for my own personal holiday. I just wanted to tell you that because so many people are filtering in recipes, or how do you cook this, how do you do that, or they want a private consultation. Now, we're going to talk about private consultations after the holiday, but for a private consultation, there will be a fee. I do want you to know that. There will be a fee for all private consultations because it's just too many and I have to spend too much time on the phone when I could be doing other things with my time, especially making and posting videos. Have no problems with talking to you, but we're just going to have to work out an agreement there. Now, other than that, it's going to be a standard fee so that you don't have to worry about for X amount of minutes, it will be this amount. Now, I hope that I've answered your questions. I hope that you have a happy holiday. I'm blessed to have all of you all following me, and I truly do appreciate it. And as far as Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, all of those holidays, happy holidays from my family to yours. God bless. Bye.